Every Diwali evening, when the rest of the world slows down to celebrate, India's stock market comes alive. For just 1 hour, an hour that's called Mahurat Trading. And in that 1 hour, faith meets finance, and millions of Indians, from traders in Mumbai to families watching from home, believe that their Lakshmi, their wealth, is being blessed for the year ahead. You see, for most people outside of India, stock markets are places of logic, numbers, and algorithms. But here, it's also about emotion, ritual, and a kind of optimism that's hard to describe. So, what exactly is Muhurat trading, and why do India's markets open on a festival night when the rest of the world is closed? Let's go back a few hundred years. Long before there were stock tickers or trading apps, there were Bahi Khatas, handwritten account books. Every Diwali, business families would gather around their ledgers, light diyas, perform Chopra Pujan, the worship of their books of accounts, and begin the new financial year with prayers to Goddess Lakshmi. It wasn't just about money, it was about gratitude, about cleansing the old year's energies and starting anew with blessings and optimism. Then came the Bombay Stock Exchange, the oldest in Asia, and when it was founded, it carried that very spirit forward. To this day, on Diwali evening, the BSE and NSE open their trading floors for just one symbolic hour. Traders wear ethnic clothes, light diyas, distribute sweets, and place their first trades of the new Samvat, the Hindu financial year. It's less about making profits and more about inviting prosperity. Now, what's truly fascinating is how this small 1 hour ritual has survived everything: colonialism, independence, globalization, the tech boom, and still feels relevant in a world run by algorithms. Think about it. For generations, our idea of wealth was tangible: gold, land, maybe some property. Every Indian household had gold jewelry, not just as ornament but as security, something real, safe, passed down generations. Gold was our insurance, it was tradition, status, and sentiment all rolled into one. But slowly, India changed, especially in the last 30 years. Liberalization in the 90s, the rise of middle class aspirations, and a new generation that didn't just want to save wealth, they wanted to create it. Today, when millions of Indians buy a small stake or stock during Mahurat trading, they are continuing that same old ritual, just in a modern way. Earlier, they bought gold coins on Diwali, now they buy shares. The symbol is the same: Lakshmi entering your home, only the medium has evolved from coins to gold. And if you really look deeper, it tells you how far India has come. In 1991, less than 1% of Indians owned stocks. Today, over 11 crore demat accounts exist. India now adds more retail investors every month than ever before in its history. And Diwali's Muhurat hour does the emotional heartbeat of this investing revolution. What's even more interesting is the psychology behind it. Every Diwali, no matter what the market conditions, bull or bear, the Sensex almost always closes in the green. It's not luck, it's optimism. Because people buy symbolically, not to trade, but to participate in the ritual of hope. They buy one share, maybe worth 100 rupees, but that gesture carries emotion, culture, and belief. It's a way of saying, I believe in India's future, I believe in my own growth. This isn't just a retail sentiment. Even big brokerage houses perform Lakshmi Puja in their offices. Institutional traders bring sweets, light diyas, and take part in something that connects them to the roots of Indian commerce. For centuries, India's relationship with wealth was defensive. We stored, we protected, we inherited. But today, we are finally in a phase of active wealth creation. Startups, stock investing, mutual funds, SIPs, fintechs, there are the new instruments of faith. And Muhurat trading reflects that transition. When the bell rings on Diwali evening and the ticker starts to move, you're not just watching numbers on a screen. You're witnessing centuries of faith redefined for the digital age. Now, some people may say, isn't it just superstition? Maybe, but superstition doesn't last 200 years unless it touches something deeper. So, this Diwali, whether you buy gold or a stock or simply light a diya, remember what it truly symbolizes. It's not about material gain, it's about resetting your intentions, renewing your optimism, and believing that the year ahead will be brighter. Happy Diwali, and may your wealth in every sense keep growing.